during the global shortage of carbon.
Carbon is an important natural resource used for graphite, petroleum products, otherwise known as gas, and plastic. We need it.
Carbon is the fourth most common element in the universe after hydrogen, helium, and oxygen. The three forms of carbon found in nature are the amorphous, graphite, and diamond, and each form has different properties.
So, let's talk about the problem here. Carbon is slipping away. Every time we use carbon for our consumer products, because of recent cutbacks on CO2 emissions, these products are not burned, thus carbon is not released back into the atmosphere.
Now, we are humans, which means we breathe air, right? So why would we need to worry about the amount of carbon in the atmosphere?
Good question. We get that air from plants, which secrete oxygen after extracting carbon from the air around them. If carbon goes away, so does all the oxygen-breathing life forms on Earth, including us.
We keep using carbon to create products, but because burning those products would be harmful to our atmosphere, we can't release carbon to where it originally is from, causing it to be depleted over time.
Where is carbon from, though? The answer is this. When the Earth was created, it had an abundance of carbon in the atmosphere. As an unimaginable number of plants, animals, and insects died over time, their bodies released carbon back into the atmosphere, but not all of it.
Some of the carbon was stored in deposits underground as time buried these dead organisms. We are now dipping into the fossil fuels, which includes carbon, and burning them in order to release carbon into the atmosphere.
But wait, don't freak out. We can do things to help keep our carbon footprint in check. We are the green machine after all.
That's right, driving a more eco-friendly car, recycling, using alternatives for driving, and eating locally can all reduce the amount of carbon we use.
Make sure and cut down on that beef and dairy. Farmland used for raising livestock that is to be killed is often on cut-down rainforest, one of the top contributors to the shortage of carbon.
Keep our plants happy and reduce your carbon uses in everyday life.
That is it for this public service announcement. Thank you for listening, and remember, stay green, Mission Vista!